Welcome back to Risk to Reward. Right now, governments around the world are pouring hundreds of billions of dollars into artificial intelligence and defense technology. And three companies are positioned right at the center of this transformation. One builds artificial intelligence software used by intelligence agencies and military commands. Another manufactures some of the most advanced fighter jets and military aircraft ever created. And the third is securing massive international defense contracts for next-generation warships and advanced radar systems. Today, we're breaking down three artificial intelligence defense stocks with major global military contracts: Palantir Technologies, Lockheed Martin, and BAE Systems. Let's start with a company building the software layer behind modern military intelligence, Palantir. Palantir Technologies develops advanced data analytics and artificial intelligence platforms used by defense and intelligence organizations around the world. The company operates four core platforms: Godem, Foundry, Apollo, and AIP. Godem is designed specifically for defense and intelligence agencies, allowing analysts to integrate and interpret huge volumes of operational data. Foundry is used by organizations to manage complex data sets across supply chains and industrial systems. Apollo is a deployment platform that allows secure software updates across multiple classified environments. And AIP, the artificial intelligence platform, is Palantir's generative artificial intelligence system, designed to connect large language models directly with operational data while maintaining strict audit controls. One of Palantir's largest defense contracts came from the United States Army. On the 31st of July 2025, the Army awarded Palantir an enterprise agreement, consolidating 75 separate contracts into a single framework that could last up to 10 years. The agreement has a maximum value of $10 billion and focuses on providing advanced data integration, analytics, and artificial intelligence tools across military operations. $10 billion. Palantir has also expanded internationally. In December 2025, the United Kingdom Ministry of Defense signed a £240.6 million enterprise agreement, covering licensing and support between April 2026 and March 2029. At the same time, the United Kingdom announced a defense artificial intelligence partnership with Palantir, including plans for up to £1.5 billion in investment. Financially, the company continues to grow rapidly. In fiscal year 2025, Palantir reported revenue of $4.475 billion and net income of $1.625 billion. Remaining deal value across contracts reached $11.2 billion. But software alone isn't enough. Modern defense systems require physical platforms, aircraft, sensors, and weapons capable of integrating artificial intelligence directly into operations. And that brings us to Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin is the largest defense contractor in the world, and a prime integrator for many of the most advanced military systems currently in service. The company has increasingly focused on artificial intelligence and machine learning to provide what it calls decision advantage on the battlefield. Lockheed Martin has developed an artificial intelligence factory approach, including partnerships with Google Public Sector and Mantech to deploy secure generative artificial intelligence and predictive maintenance systems across military aircraft. One of the company's largest recent defense contracts came in December 2025. The United States government awarded a contract modification, increasing the ceiling of Lockheed Martin's C-130 J-transport aircraft program to $25 billion. The program supports both United States military operations and foreign military sales to multiple allied nations. Another major contract was awarded in September 2025 when the United States Navy approved a $12.53 billion modification for the F-35 fighter jet program. This covers nearly 300 aircraft across production lots 18 and 19 for United States forces. partner nations, and international customers. Financially, Lockheed Martin remains a defense industry giant. In 2025, the company reported $75 billion in revenue, $5 billion in net earnings, and an enormous order backlog of $194 billion. $194 billion. However, the global defense race is not limited to the United States. European defense companies are also securing major international contracts as countries increase military spending. One of the biggest beneficiaries of this trend is BAE Systems. BAE Systems is one of Europe's largest defense companies and combines advanced military platforms with digital intelligence capabilities. The company has invested heavily in artificial intelligence, automation, and cyber capabilities through its cyber and intelligence division. BAE is also developing artificial intelligence-enabled training systems built on synthetic environments that simulate real combat scenarios. One of the company's largest recent international agreements came in August 2025, when Norway selected the United Kingdom Type 26 frigate in a £10 billion government-to-government deal. In January 2026, the United Kingdom also awarded £453.5 million to BAE Systems to deliver 40 ECRS Mark II advanced radar systems for Royal Air Force Typhoon fighter aircraft. BAE has also expanded international partnerships. The United Kingdom government's Typhoon agreement with Turkey, signed in October 2025, is expected to be worth approximately £4.6 billion to BAE. The company has also launched Edgewing alongside partners in Italy and Japan to support development of the Global Combat Air Program, a next-generation fighter aircraft system. Financially, BAE Systems reported revenue of £28.336 billion in fiscal year 2025. Profit for the year reached £2.151 billion, and the company reported an order backlog of £83.6 billion. Across all three companies, one trend is clear. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming a critical capability in modern defense. From battlefield data analysis to autonomous aircraft and advanced radar systems, artificial intelligence is reshaping how militaries operate. And the companies building these technologies could play a major role in the future of global security.